Hello YouTube. It's going to be a hot one. It could get 80 degrees today and it's like the 5th of April. We can't get to a parts store. It's too far away. Broken sway bar bolt. It broke. The sway bar wasn't hooked up and we were missing all this. A washer, rubber. This is mud flap. So this is what we're going to replicate. We'll show you a picture at the end of here to what the one on the other side looks like, what it's supposed to be like. We're going to replace this cracked plastic thing, and the other one's cracked too, with this stack of washers, okay? So, you got your control arms here coming up from the bottom, like this, okay? You got to have a rubber on this side, the plastic, and then we got to have a rubber on this side of the sway bar. The sway bar will go in here, and then there's a little bit, see how it's bigger than the bolt where it fits in the hole of the sway bar? And this is a metric bolt. It's a handle off a Harbor Freight 40 core half-inch grinder. You can do this. And I found a metric nut. So there you go. We're going to put this on the car and see if it works. We just got to putting struts on it. And before I put the strut on, I look down and go, that sway bar's broke. Well, the car is all over the road. We got very bad roads around here. And we'll explain the struts at another time. We bought expensive struts. Heavy duty, one step below racing for a Cavalier. Because these roads are so bad around here. And 200,000 miles on the original strut. So you can see why we replaced them. I didn't want to make a video on that. It is stressful. The neighbors helped me with all the muscle work. Like loosen all the big bolts. And I'm doing all the brain work. So we'll go out and put this together and see what it looks like. Well, it ain't a pretty bit of work. See where the sway bar comes over? The sway bar has a hole bigger than this because the rubber has that step on it. Get you down there. I had to take a few of the washers off. If I'd had a longer bolt, would have been better. But it'll get me by till I can get another kit, a bolt kit. They make the kit to replace them. So there we go. That'll get me by. New struts are heavy duty. You can look these up. These have a, see that? That light colored. It's called a jounce bumper. Takes up to like the last few inches when you finally bottom out the car. These are way bigger than the old ones. We turn you sideways here. Brought you back there. Kind of gonna, let's try to don't get dizzy. I'll take a picture of the old ones so you can see the difference. There's even difference in the diameter of the coil. So, thanks for watching. Look for some pictures at the end here.